brilliant opening game. Great defence. Oh, brilliant! What a shot from Praveen Jordan. That was something else that Anthony Clark.
Arena Birmingham coming to support the home players.
Oh, it's going out.
Yeah, it's going out.
Oh, off she goes to get a racket. Well, I think she was just
16-12.
Here, he looks, clears. Oh, they changed rackets. They changed rackets. It was his racket that was gone. Praveen Jordan changed rackets with his.
Can use them again better later on.
Fast and furious.
On the short. Excellent play by Ellis.
Oh, it's landed miles in. And they... Good flick. Well taken.
Yes.
He went down the middle. Oh my goodness. Wow.